Hello guys, this is Amin from Kodegems, and in this video I will be telling you how you can add pages in your WordPress website, and you can also add your pages in the menu as well. So at very first, go to the dashboard of your website, then go to pages, add new, and then give it the title of the page. Like you can give I'm giving the blog, and in the text I will be adding some dummy text. This is the dummy text. Now hit publish and then view page. So here you go, the page has been created. And now if you want to add into the menu, you will have to go in the dashboard, appearance and menu, and from here go to pages, this one that you have created just now. Click here, click the checkbox, add to menu. See over here, you can see the blog page has been added to the menu. And if you want to change the position of this tab, you can do simply by drag and drop. I will put this one before the contact page. Hit the save menu and Ctrl+Shift+R, refresh the page, and you can see over here the page has been added. Thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget to like and comment and subscribe this channel. Bye bye.